The food and drink manufacturing industry is worth over £7 billion here in Wales and is hugely important to the economy. With over 550 businesses throughout Wales, there's possibilities and opportunities to work anywhere in Wales.
Here at Radnor we produce a whole range of mineral water, soft drinks, mixers, juices, really any sort of liquid beverage you can imagine. For anybody thinking about going into the food and drink sector, for me, this is one of the most exciting sectors that you can get involved with. There's a career there for life, really, and you can come in and you can work your way through this help and training to get yourself to the next level. It's always dynamic, it's always changing, and you know, it's fun.
Puffin was formed in the 1970s by a group of growers getting together to market their crop and is now employing about 180 people with a turnover of around 30 million. As the factory becomes more advanced, we're having less lower paid jobs within the business, and we always see ourselves as a very good quality employer in a regional area like Pembrokeshire.
So in particular to the food and drink industry, there's so much scope for innovation and introduction of new technologies and processes. They're looking at constantly new ways and new things to implement within their processes, so there is a lot of dual research and engineering and development that goes on, and it's a lot more exciting than it might seem from the outside looking in.
The food industry offers a wide range of opportunities, ranging from the creative side all the way to production. I've found it to be a very rewarding experience, and I would definitely recommend it.
For anyone considering doing an apprenticeship, I'd say to go for it because you get the best of both worlds. You're learning on the job, you're in college, and you're earning a wage as well, so being hands-on is great.
The industry offers a wide variety of job roles with real long life-term career opportunities and career progression with good salaries and exciting development opportunities.